Hey everyone, Heather here. Today I'm going to show you how to create your bulk email and text campaigns. So first what we will do is we will go to the admin module, and then we will go over here to your templates section, and we will go ahead and go to edit email text templates. So this is where it will start. I will start by creating my email or text campaign. For today, I have already made an example for you for an email bulk campaign. So let me just grab that, and here it is. So it says, "Hi, System General First Name. Not too long ago, 365 report information milestone last communication date. Side note, these are tokens specifically made for the bulk email and text campaigns. I will go into explaining that a little more later. Not too long ago, 365 report information, last communication date, I had spoken with you regarding listing 365 report general last address discussed. Although we weren't able to make a deal, you made a great impression. I just wanted to touch base with you once again to find out if you had any possible investment opportunities available that you'd be willing to represent us on. We would love for you to be your go-to investor." So, if you've made any other email templates for your auto tracker campaign, or for emails that you use to send out to an agent off of a designated property, those tokens that you may have used in those other templates that you have will not work on a bulk email and text campaign. The reason for that is that those tokens are pulling information from a designated property. The difference with a bulk email and text campaign is that the information pulled is not being pulled from a specific property, is being pulled from the agent contact module, and more specifically from the 365 report information sheet that we had explained before. So I will be sending you a list of the tokens in which you can use. So we want to make sure that we use maybe one or two of those tokens to personalize the emails. So further, it is very important to make sure your email makes sense without the tokens. So the first time I read it with the tokens. This time I'm going to read it without the tokens, and I need to make sure it makes sense if these tokens are not populated. What will happen is, if you are missing this data in the agent contact module, this will simply show up erased in the email that is sent to the agent. So I'm going to read it without the tokens to make sure it makes sense. And it says, "Hi, not too long ago, I had spoken with you regarding your listing. Although we weren't able to make a deal, you made a great impression. I just wanted to touch base with you once again to find out if you had any possible investment opportunities available that you would be willing to represent us on." So as you can see, it turned out fine, and everything read correctly with or without the tokens. So that is the first step in getting your email for your bulk email and text campaign set up. The next thing that I will do is I want to check the HTML and the formatting, making sure that I'm not sending any encrypted information over to the agent when this email goes out. So the way that I'll do that is I'll go over here and I'll click HTML. And as you can see, it has a lot going on with it. And we do not want to send an email out to an agent that looks like this, because obviously it looks like a computer is sending it out. So what I want to do is I want to make sure that I clear the formatting by using this little broom and the eraser. So it should look a little different when I go back to the HTML. Oops. So it looks a little different now. So all of these these highlighted red encrypt looking things, they need to not be there. So we want to make sure this is cleaned up. If in the process, when you are making your emails and you have um, some issues cleaning up the HTML, you can always send your email over to me that you would like to be uploaded, and I can go ahead and upload it for you and make sure that everything is good with it. So this is what it should look like. And I'll press update. Doesn't look like it changed anything, but it did. So the next thing I want to do is I want to make sure I'm sorting these emails out separately from my auto tracker emails and the emails that I use to send out when I'm on a designated property, because these emails have different tokens and different content, and I just want to push the fact that they are very different. So I'm going to label this one as bulk email text campaign, and I'm going to call it hot letter 1. And the subject, I'm going to call it your go to investor. And that's it. So from there, I will save it. So there, my email is made. It's ready to send out. It has no errors. It's good to go. So now I'm going to send it. Excuse me. So now I'm going to go to my agent contact module to send out. And according to your Agent 365 report, we should have these fields updated and sorted so we know what emails to send. But for myself, I don't have any agents, so I'm just going to search everybody. So I'll search everybody. Search, and here come up all my contacts. And I'm going to use all of them, so I'm going to send my bulk email. It's going to say, are you sure you want to send 68 messages? And I'm going to say, yes, I do. Then I will go and find my email, and there it is. And this will pull up all the information as we had specified. So simple from there, I would go ahead and send. Obviously, I'm not going to send this email out, but I would go ahead and send. So I just want to explain one more time with the agents and give one more quick review about the importance of updating your contact module, more specifically your 365 report information sheet. So let me just pull up a property. And I'm going to the agent tab. I'm going to add agent. And the tokens that were in that specific email, and here it is here. So it was 365 report information, milestones, last communication date. So this token, this specific token, is pulling from the last communication date here. So as you can see, I didn't have anything filled in for this agent. So on that email, that token will not be used. But if I did, it would in fact show up the actual date in which I had last contact. So it's important to know where these tokens are coming from. And I just wanted to show you one more time that this 365 report information is very imperative to your bulk email and text. It will help personalize. It is made to help you source more deals. So if you have any questions about updating this information, what tokens are the best to use, if you need help formatting your email and making sure that it doesn't come encrypt over to the agent, I am more than happy to assist you in the process, and my phone number is 626-549-8273. You guys can call me anytime, and I can help you through the process.